Even the best healthcare system in the world will be unable to fulfill its potential without an efficient and cost-effective pharmaceutical distribution system. As distribution management consultants working closely with the international pharmaceutical industry, Computer Systems for Distribution is familiar with evidence of aging, ailing, or inflexible systems which have been unable to keep pace with shifting demand. This can mean a distressing, painful, or even dangerous wait for patients. Justifiably, patients can find it difficult to understand why they can't have the medicine they need because it is out of stock, out of date, or simply in the wrong location. Healthcare professionals can become equally frustrated by their inability to meet patients' needs. No doctor or pharmacist wants to see expensive stocks of unwanted drugs go to waste while their patient waits for life-saving medication that isn't available. Life is equally difficult for health managers, seeking to control costs that they can't measure, and only too aware of the dissatisfaction of the medical profession and the public.
I've seen warehouses containing several years' worth of some stock, even though it may become out of date or unusable before it's required. At the same time, pharmacists can't get their hands on much needed drugs because finite resources have been misdirected or nobody knows where they are stored.
These are the symptoms of a threat to public health, as dangerous and costly as the most insidious disease. Fortunately, this is one disorder that you can eradicate. In partnership with the Management of Health Organisations, Computer Systems for Distribution plc, or CSfD, designs and implements exclusive systems to deliver precision control over the distribution of drugs. In this warehouse, the pharmaceutical distribution system is driving fully automated procedures designed to optimize stock holding, increase service levels, and deliver greater value for money. Here, it is comfortably catering for up to 250,000 order lines and 1.2 million units per day, and can easily handle much more. The system can also be modified or extended for future needs with minimal additional cost. The warehouse and the customers which it supplies benefit from an intuitive system, able to forecast need based on recorded consumption. In short, the shelves are stocked with more of the drugs for which high levels of demand are forecast, and less of those for which there is only an occasional or seasonal requirement.
This system is great. In the hot weather, for example, when there's more allergens in the air, it will automatically order more antihistamine drugs.
Instead of costly stocks of unwanted medicines, this warehouse is ready to provide the life-saving drugs that doctors actually prescribe. Because stock can be reordered before supplies are exhausted, healthcare professionals don't face delays when they request the supplies they need. Furthermore, as the system offers embedded monitoring of drug usage by cost, department, and a range of other key performance indicators, it is internationally recognized as an outstanding instrument in pharmaceutical management. This is no miracle cure. CSfD's visionary partnership between distributors and software engineers took an holistic approach to pharmaceutical distribution. The buyer in this warehouse will be presented with a screen display of the stock to be reviewed that day. The data is based upon supply review cycles and intuitively optimizes stock levels. Intelligent ordering ensures that purchases are based on a realistic measurement of consumption and achieve a measurable reduction in waste.
Whilst using this system, we dramatically reduced our stock holding levels, thus in turn increasing our service levels.
The pharmaceutical distribution system allocates incoming stock to numbered locations within the warehouse, as well as enabling the fastest possible picking. This also means that controlled drugs are automatically sent to a secure environment, temperature-controlled goods to a refrigerator, and toxic items kept separate from normal ambient products. At the other end, pharmacists supplied by the system benefit from auto-replenishment of stock. For specific medicine that isn't immediately available, an online ordering facility is provided to achieve the fastest possible stock fulfillment. The dispensary's order is received electronically. This triggers a precise, swift and efficient process which can be either manual or automated. In this warehouse, the software controls a largely automated process which can locate, pick, pack and dispatch the stock in a matter of minutes. A command from the system automatically selects a tote box of the correct size. Products held on the gravity-controlled auto picker drop onto the moving belt exactly as ordered. Seconds later, they are joined by items stored on the A-frame. The dispensary's order makes its way to the end of the track, where it is received in the tote box. If the order is complete, it will soon be on its way out of the building. Other boxes will head along the automated track to collect the manual picked items, or to obtain controlled drugs which are subject to special security arrangements. Refrigerated medicines are picked separately and packed into a cooled transportation system. Finally, a lid is added to the tote box, which is immediately banded for secure delivery. These totes are deposited in the correct chutes, ready for loading into the delivery vehicle and transport to the dispensary. A little later, the patient returns to collect her prescription. It is bagged, labelled and ready for her just as she expected. She knows nothing about the automated processes that delivered the medicine she needs. She just knows that the system works. This rapid dispatch and the confidence that pharmacists have in their supplier mean that dispensaries very quickly start to make much better defined orders. The stock they hold better meets the needs of local patients, and less required medicines can still be obtained extremely quickly. Your business is in safe hands at CSfD. The pharmaceutical distribution system has been implemented by Phoenix Medical Group, one of the top 5 pharmaceutical wholesalers globally. Other CSfD products drive the distribution that delivers food to restaurant kitchens across the UK and puts coffee on the tables in Starbucks throughout Europe and the Middle East. For more information, visit our website at www.csfd.co.uk or get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you soon.